I am A.K.M. Shahabuddin, online class trainer. Today we shall discuss about voice change. We shall discuss about some important topics, especially about the position of object in passive voice and also how to make active voice into passive voice when the sentence lies in interrogative form, question form. Dear learners and students, you are requested to watch all my videos regarding voice change. Then you will be able to get honorable position in this aspect. Let us start. If an active sentence has reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun means myself, ourselves, himself, herself, yourself, yourselves, themselves. If it is a pronoun and if it is the object of the sentence, then to make it passive, we have to keep the subject at its position. Then we shall use be verb. After that, we have to make the past participle form of the verb. Then using by, we shall write the object again. Here no sense, no definite sense but no clear sense is seen. Only by is used and the past participle of main verb is changed from base form or past form. So here is an example. He killed himself. Himself is a reflexive object and it has been passive voice by subject he has been unchanged and to be verb has been used according to the rule of tense. So as killed is past tense, so our verb has been was, then past participle killed. After writing by, we have written the object again. It is himself. Double objects. There are some sentences in active voice which have double object. One object is person object and it is called indirect object. Another object is thing object and it is called direct object. We can take any of these objects as real object to transfer it into subject of the passive voice. Then the another object will be useless and it will be used as excessive extra word or phrase. So he gave me $. Here is the two object, me, person object or indirect object, $, thing object or direct object. At first we have taken that indirect object as subject of passive voice. It has been I, me has been I. Then to be verb according to the rule of tense. As gave is lies in past tense, so we have made to be verb by writing was. Then past participle of the verb has been written, it is given. Then extra word has been $, which was one's object, one of the objects in active voice. But now it is no more object, so it has been used as extra word. After then we have written by the according to the rule of making passive voice. Then after we have made subject into object. But here the scenario is a little different. Here we have taken direct object as subject in the passive voice. Then after be verb and past participle. We have made it was given dollar by him, dollar was given to me. Then me has been used as extra, but before it we have used to, because according to the rule of passive voice, if there lies two objects and if we do not take person object or indirect object as subject, then when it will be written before it, we must use to, infinitive to or preposition to. It is preposition to. Then by and after that subject has been used as object. It is him. There are some wrong objects. It looks like object, but it is no object. Such kind of objects, preposition plus noun or pronoun. There are some sentences which has an object and also a noun or pronoun, but this noun and pronoun takes before it a preposition. When a noun or pronoun will take a preposition before it, it will not act as an object, it will also not act as an subject. It is adverbial. An adverbial can never be used as object or as an subject. So here is an example. He helped me with dollar. With me is the object. On the other hand, with dollar is excess, extra. It cannot be used as object and cannot come to be as subject in passive voice. So me has been I, then to be verb as helped lies in past form. So to be verb has been was, then after past participle of this verb has been written. After that this excess phrase has been, which is excess means which is neither subject nor verb nor object. After writing it, we have used by and then subject has been used as object. There are some more examples about the wrong objects. It lies in factitive verbs. Factitive verbs is such kind of verbs which to complete the sentence takes some extra word or words. It causes objective complement. It is not object but objective complement. An objective complement cannot be used as object. Here is an example. People made Biden president. Here, which is Biden? He is also the president, the same person. That person, Biden, is also the president. So, president is the objective complement of object Biden. And this cannot be an object, and in passive voice cannot be replaced into a subject. So the sentence has been object has been written, then to be verb was because made lies in past form, then past participle. After that it has been used as a extra word which is objective complement. It is here. Then after writing verb by, we have used the subject as object. Now there is another question, that reflexive object, himself, herself, etc. can be object. Likewise, when an object is created from a verb and it expresses almost same meaning, then it cannot be avoided. We cannot call it not object. it is also object. Here is an example. He ran a race. Race has come from run or ran. So it is, the verb is cognate verb and it is cognate object. It can be passive voice by using this as object. So a race. A race. Ran is past form was. Was. Past participle of ran is again run. Was run by. He will be him. Then we shall discuss about interrogative sentence. How an interrogative sentence can be made from active into passive voice. First example is very easy, like normal passive voice, active to passive voice, we can make it, but something here is different from that original interrogative. Here, if an interrogative sentence begins with WH who, then such structure will be followed. At first we shall write in passive voice by whom, then we shall use be verb according to tense. After that we shall write object of the sentence as subject, then we shall use verb 3. At last, then note of interrogation, question mark. So here is an example. Who loves her? It has been begun. This interrogative sentence has been begun with who. So according to rule, we shall use by whom in passive voice at first, then to be verb. As loves lies in present tense, so to be verb here is surely is. Then object has been used as subject. Her has become she. Then we have used past participle of the verb. Here loves has become loved. Then note of interrogation. But if an interrogative sentence begins with whom, then another structure we should follow. At first we shall use who. Then we shall use be verb. Be verb. After that we have to use verb 3, past participle of main verb. Then we shall write by, and then subject will be written as object. Thus, whom did he like? Here is an example. Whom did he like? Here, whom has been who, then as did he like past tense, so whom was. Here will be verb was. Whom was, then past participle according to rule. Here past participle of like is liked. Then we have used by, and after that subject has been object. He has become him, and at last we have given a note of interrogation or question mark. Rule number 3 of the interrogative sentence. If a sentence has what, where, when or how, then to make it from active to passive voice, we shall follow that rule, that W is what, where, when, what. Anything who will stay in the active voice will be written at first. Then the rest of the sentence will be passive according to the rule of passive sentence from active sentence. Here is an example. Where did she find him? Here, where will again be written in passive voice. Then according to the rule of interrogative sentence, we have to use be verb as first, as did indicates that it lies in past tense, so we have used was as be verb. Then after be verb we have used object as subject. Here him has been he. Then past participle of the main verb find has been found. After writing by, we have made subject into object. So by, after by, she has become into her after note of interrogation. So today we have known mainly about the object, whether this kind of word or this kind of form of word can be used as object or cannot be used as object. We have discussed about this. Also, we have discussed about how to make active voice into passive voice, about the different kinds of interrogative sentence. Again, we are requesting to the disciples to learn all my classes regarding voice sense. Then you shall know the clear knowledge about this subject. Goodbye.